We will explore exponential equations. We're going to introduce solving them by working with some simple examples, and the main idea is that you want to get the same base on both sides and set the exponents equal. So what we'll use is that if you've got b to the x equal to b to the y, that means that x has to equal y. So that tells us that if we can get the same base on both sides, of the equation, then set the exponents equal, then we'll be able to solve the exponential equation. Let's take a look at this first example. This first example, we can easily get both sides to have a base of 5. So we're going to make the 25 as 5 squared. The other side already has a base of 5. So notice usually we're going down from 25 to 5 and making a 5 squared. Now you just set the two exponents equal. 2 equal to 2x minus 4. Add 4 to both sides. 2x equals 6. And so x equals 3. So if you notice, if you put 3 back into the right side, 2 times 3 is 6, minus 4 is 2. You have 5 squared is going to be equal to that 25. So x equals 3 is our answer. The next one, we'll notice that we're not going to have 9 squared to be 27. 9 squared is 81. So you have to bring both of them down to a lower base. So we'll make the 9 3 squared to the x plus 5 power. And the 27, we'll make it 3 cubed to the x power. Now we'll take that and we'll go ahead and distribute through. So that's going to be 2 times x and 2 times 5. So 2x plus 5. And the other side will have 3 to the 3x power. Now you can set each of since they both have a base of 3, set 2x plus 10 equal to 3x. Subtract 2x from both sides. You get x equal to 10 for an answer. And you can check that if you want to. It's not necessary to check these unless you're unsure whether you might have made an error somewhere. All right, this next one, notice we have a fraction, so we have to think about what is the common base that we could get for both sides. Well, I know that 216 is 6 cubed, and 36 is 6 squared. Now I'm going to take that 6 cubed and I'm going to bring it up to the top. And the rule for exponents, remember, is that if you bring a base up from the bottom to the top, you've got to make it a negative exponent. Now I've got, on the other side, 2x, so I just set negative 3 equal to 2x because the bases are both base 6. And then I divide both sides by 2. I get the answer of negative 3 halves for my answer. So the steps we want to follow for these, when you have an exponential equation, you want to get the same base on both sides. You want to make sure that if you get the same bases on both sides, you can set the exponents equal, and then just solve your equation that you've got to come up with the answer to the exponential equation.